Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to the benchmark test in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet on the day 1 after unboxing. So today is a day 1 and right now I did not even install any applications in the tablet at all. And let's do the benchmark test and let's find out what will be the benchmark performance in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet and which comes with the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset. And this is a 8GB RAM version which I'm going to use in this video for the demonstration. So with the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset, I'm going to check what will be the overall benchmark test results in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So let's wait to start the benchmark testing. And right now the battery percentage is 58%. And the temperatures in the beginning is about 31 degrees and my room temperature you can see 30 degrees Celsius. 31 degrees and 30 degrees. And we'll try to find out about the overall benchmark test results, how much you can actually expect in the tablet in the Xiaomi Pad 8. And right now I'm not using any kind of ultimate mode or high performance mode option in the settings. I'm not using that. So without using any kind of RAM expansion and no high performance mode, we'll try to find out the actual benchmark test results. Let's see in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet how much it can actually get up to. And I'll be back after some time again to check overall temperature readings, what's going on with the tablet in the Xiaomi Pad 8. So 34 degrees Celsius right now, as you can see. And I'm going to be back after some time again to check the overall temperature readings in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So let's check the temperature right now after 50% of the benchmark test results. The temperature is about close to 36, 35, 37 degrees Celsius. And even on the back side, I can feel slightly kind of high temperatures in this area, 38 degrees Celsius in the tab. As you can see, 38 degrees Celsius, the temperature did increase while doing the benchmark testing. So normally in the tabs, we don't see that much high temperatures, but in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet, we are seeing the slightly higher temperatures at this moment. And I'll be back after some time again to check the temperature readings, what's going on this Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet as well. Let's find out the overall benchmark test results. So with the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4, how much the benchmark performance we're gonna expect. Again, I'll be back after some time. So finally, we got the benchmark test results in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet, and the temperature did increase during this time about 38 degrees and 37 degrees Celsius while doing the benchmark testing. And we got the benchmarks about 2.1 million benchmarks in the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet, which is pretty good enough regarding the benchmark performance, no doubt at all, with the 8GB and 128GB storage. And the battery dropped by 6% and the temperature increased by close to from 30 degrees to 38 degrees Celsius. It did increase. And this is the result on the day 1. This is the day 1 on the after unboxing the device. Let me show you the exact settings what I have used. So in the battery, I did not use this option. Maybe next time I'll try to use the other options and then I'll try to enable that. Like turning on the RAM expansion, memory extension, I did not turn on that. Maybe by using this option, I'll try to do the test one more time. But this is what the difference is in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and see you in the next video. And signing off and bye.